Hello, sir. May I know what exactly you are offering?
We offer your balance sheet and profit and loss to work for you to improve your return on investment.
What specific business problem or opportunity will your service address?
Business which does not improve their operational efficiency in the entire business circle will not be competitive and hence perish faster. We give financial ratios both in graphical form and numerical form. And in graphical form, we compare it with 60 NSE listed company on SME platform. Thus, give you to have gap analysis. This will give your business renewed force to improve operational efficiency.
How will the client be better off after having worked with you?
We give our comments and possible changes which are required to be implemented and possible improvement in return on investment for which every entrepreneur work.
What is different about your firm, its service results or approach?
We act as an external arm of your organization with high level of integrity in delivering the best possible suggestion for improving your return on investment.
Okay, so what is your service charges?
It is free of cost to you.
So how can we start the engagement?
You can share your balance sheet and profit and loss statement, if possible for last 3 years, on our email address smeanalyticsfinancial@gmail.com, and you can call Mr. Desai on 988 5326 553.
But why your service is free?
We want to be part of Atmanirbhar Bharat and contribute to Indian economy by developing Z score for MSME.
Can you explain a little bit about Z-score?
Z score is the indicator of possible bankruptcy or insolvency. It is a predictive tool that helps an enterprise for a total change to align business strategies with capital allocation decisions and provide transparency of financial condition to lenders and equity capital providers. MSMEs should now use the Z score to raise capital and secure credit to increase their growth.
Oh, that's great to hear. I'll surely contact you.